Dubai Palm Island, where luxury touches the horizon. This villa is crafted for those who live life without limits. From the moment you arrive, elegance greets you, glass walls reflecting shimmering waters, ambient lighting guiding your path. Step into a living room that feels infinite, where modern design meets ultimate comfort. The kitchen is a masterpiece of clean lines, marble counters, and flawless details. Retreat to the master bedroom with floor-to-ceiling ocean views, where sunrise wakes you in serenity. Outside, a private infinity pool glistens under the palm trees, echoing peace and exclusivity. The private cinema room awaits, a space of ultimate indulgence. On the rooftop lounge, the Dubai skyline dazzles at night, a perfect blend of city lights and tranquility. This is more than a villa, it is a statement of ultimate luxury living. Experience it, dream it, and subscribe for more cinematic tours.